How to get reviews using QR codes. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to use the Marketing-Tutor QR code generator. Let us assume that we want to ask a client to give you a review, or recommendation, on your Facebook page. So, you need to be logged into your Facebook account to be able to search for the business. In this example, we will use my business, Habazar Internet Marketing. Here I am logged into my personal Facebook profile page. Now let's search for Habazar Internet Marketing from the search bar. And here it is. Click on the link to reveal the drop-down. Most business pages will have a Review tab. If you don't see one, try clicking the More tab to see if it's there. Click the Review tab. And here is where the visitor will write their review. And here is the link URL you will need to create your QR code for Facebook reviews. Now just follow the instructions in the tutorial on how to create a QR code for the link to send your clients to give you a review on your Facebook page. How to create a Facebook review QR code. By Geoff Lord. The Marketing-Tutor.